Hello viewers, this video shows how to make a basket using a newspaper. We need two cardboards of same size. Here I am using a plain paper for the wrong side and printed paper for the right sides. And glue, scissors, pen, clips, paper tubes and also acrylic paint brush and varnish. Now glue on the wrong side of the cardboard and paste the white paper. Fold it at the back. Do this for both the cardboards. Now glue on the outer side of the cardboard and paste the printed paper. Press this well. Now mark each inch across the long side and also the short side of the cardboard. We will be sticking the paper tubes at these points. Now to make the paper tubes we need a newspaper. Fold the newspaper horizontally in half and then half again. Cut this using a stencil knife. Now place a needle at a square with an acute angle at one end and start rolling it. Smear a small amount of glue at the end and press it. Make as much as paper tubes required for your project. Now flatten the tube at the end and attach it to the marks. Now attach a paper tube at one end of the cardboard. Apply glue to the bottom cardboard. Place the other cardboard on top of it. Place a heavy book on top or something, then leave it for an hour. This is a base for a square or rectangular basket. Now using the corner paper tube, start weaving around the base. One tube in front and the other in back alternatively. Make sure to pull the uprights up and keep the tubes nice and tight. Continue to weave until the basket is of desired height. I am using some clips to hold everything in place and some glue at the edges. Now to increase the length of the tube, join two tubes together by inserting one glued end of a paper tube to the other. Apply some glue if necessary at some points. Flatten the tubes a little bit as you weave. Use the clips. Check if the basket is of same height at all sides. Count the rows to make it sure. I'll be finishing here, so I'll stick this end point to this paper tube. Now cut the upright paper tubes, fold it and insert into this. Cut the upright paper tube. Apply some glue. Fold it and insert into the next row. Hold it with a clip. Do this all around. Now paint the tray with acrylic paint. This is how it looks after painting. Now once the paint is dry, coat it with a varnish. I am coating it with varnish even the base. So here is a finished paper basket. Thank you for watching.